Today our topic is Venn diagram. A figure representing a set is called a Venn diagram. This is a Venn diagram. In this rectangle shows set of all the elements. This is also known as universal set and it is denoted by this symbol. Now this circle shows that it is set A and it has elements 1, 2 and 3. Whereas A dash or A complement is equals to 4, 5. This is known as complement of set A. The elements 4 and 5 do not belong to set A, but they belong to the universal set. Now, question number 1. Universal set U is equals to x such that x is an integer between 1 to 10 inclusive. And A is equals to x such that x is a perfect square. Now, we have to list all the elements and draw a Venn diagram. In solution, what we will do, the universal set is equals to integer between 1 to 10 inclusive means that we have to write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Inclusive means that they are included from 1 to 10. And A is equals to x such that x is a perfect square. Now we can see that set A is equals to 1, 4 and 9. They are the perfect squares. 4 is the perfect square of 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 and 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. Now we have to draw a Venn diagram. We draw this rectangle. This shows the universal set, whereas 1, 4, 9 in this circle, this shows set A. Now, A complement or universal set minus A is equals to 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. These are the elements that are outside set A. Concept of union of two sets A union B. If A and B are two sets, then A union B is the set of all the elements in A or in B. For example, A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is equals to 3, 5, 6, 7. Now A union B is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now what we have done is A union B, we have combined all the elements but do not repeat any element. We can see that 3 and 5 is in both the sets, but we write one time in A union B set. Now intersection of two sets or A intersection B. If A and B are two sets, then A intersection B is the set of all the elements which are common to both set A and B. Now set A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is equals to 3, 5, 6, 7. Now A intersection B is equals to 3 and 5 because this 3 and 5 is common in both the sets. Element 3 and 5 are common in both the sets, so A intersection B means taking common elements from both the sets. Let's do some examples. A is equals to 3, 6, 9, 12 and B is equals to 6, 8, 9. They are two sets. Now we have to find A intersection B. Remember, this is the sign of intersection. And what we have to do, we have to take common elements from set A and B. Now you can see the common elements are 6 and 9. So A intersection B is equals to set that has element 6 and 9 from both the sets. Now A union B. Remember the sign of union? Union means we have to write all the elements, but we don't have to repeat the elements. Now, A union B is equals to 3, 6, 8, 9 and 12. So we have written all the elements from set A and B, and the elements that were common we write them once in A union B set. Hope the concept of union and intersection and Venn diagram is clear to you, and you will practice so that the concept become more clearer to you.